Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be shopping for a car. Cause my old one at the other house, well, wait, no. At my house, does still work. Okay. But there's something wrong with it. Okay.
Hey ma'am, would you like to buy a car here?
Yes.
What kind of car? You can both check them out. Come on, let's go.
Can we check out the one that's outside, please?
Oh, okay. That one's kind of expensive, but we'll see about it.
Okay.
Let's go check it out.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this one, in my personal one, that one's my favorite.
This one's my favorite too. Okay. But
If you want me to change the color or anything, you can just come by.
can I take a driving test, please?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Here are the keys. Oh, no, you forgot the keys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, I'm so excited to buy this car. Okay. Now. The bird. Okay. Here. Okay, so I'm back at the store. Wait, no, sorry, the car. Time. Okay. I'm back.
Okay, how was your test drive?
Awesome.
Did you bump into anything or anything?
Nope. Nope.
Any crows or nothing?
No.
You sure?
No.
I heard a few crows. Like, any hearing, like, did you hear a single crow?
No.
I hear one right now.
Bird.
Oh, no, I think it's a crow. Mm-hmm.
It's a bird.
Oh, okay.
It's absolutely a bird.
Would you like to buy the car?
Sure, how much?
About... Okay, that total is gonna come up to 160,000.
Okay. Here's the money.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
If there's anything you need, a problem, or if you want anything added to the car, you can come back. Bye.
Bye.
Do not know that girl's kind of hot.
Yeah. Man. I know how to blur it.
Dang, no, that wasn't. I think she...
What the heck? You guys are kind of actually weird. I'm never going to see you ever again.
Pretend you're getting a call from them.
Answers. Oh, hello. What's up?
Hey, are you single?
Yes.
Would you like to go on a date?
No.
No, say yes.
No.
Well, if you change your mind, it would be the most fanciest and the most expensive.
Okay, fine. I'll call you. Okay, fine. I'll call you back later.
Okay, love you. Bye, sexy girl.
What? Oh my god. So the person who was voice acting for the car dealership man was my sister. She's that was her first time doing it, I think. Okay, so here I am at my house, which is I need to park this car straight in the line. Then I'll show you this, the car that I got in.
Do you want me to do any other voice things?
Okay, so here,
Can I do the voice acting for like a child or something?
so here is both of my cars, which is this tiny one right here. Right here. So here it is. So my sister has been actually doing voice acting and stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, sorry, but my house is still under construction. So I got this one right here, which is a Board Summit XL. Then I got the Robe Burst one right here. So,
Your eyes.
oh, I get another call from this from Mr. Mike. Bring.
Hello.
I changed my mind.
So.
It's a no. It's still a no.
Okay. Well, can I come over and come kiss you?
Ew, no.
Why?
Okay, I'm hanging up this phone now. Bye.
Who cares?
Well, that's the end of this video. Sorry if it was weird, but I'll try to blur out. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, to give me any ideas in the comments below.
Things.
Bye, families.
Santa Winnie's. What? Okay, let's watch that video.